Benefiting from eXpresso is very easy, but like anything else you haven't used before, a brief tutorial can be helpful. Let's take a few minutes to cover how to upload and edit a file, and how to collaborate and make changes with multiple users. Once I've logged in and arrived at my LotusLive dashboard, I click Files to see all the files I've uploaded. I could also view a sort of all the files I've shared with others, or files others have shared with me. But right now, I want to focus on my files. I'm going to upload a PowerPoint I have to prepare for a meeting tomorrow. Upload a file, browse my computer, and upload. I could have many files here, but for demonstration purposes, I now have just 3. An Excel spreadsheet, a Word doc, and now a PowerPoint. I can quickly see the status of these files, when they were modified, size, and whether or not they've been shared. More on sharing in just a bit. But for now, I click on this arrow and get a drop-down of options for actions on this file. We want to open it with Microsoft Office. I get a message asking to confirm that I want to use eXpresso. I sure do, and I'll say I don't need to see this message again. My file now opens in my browser, and you can see I have all the features and functionality here that I would have on my desktop. Right now, I want to update my Q3 sales numbers, so I go to that slide and make my changes for the actual and the difference. And this is very impressive, so let's highlight our percentage number. I'll save my work and close the file. I am returned to my dashboard where I can work on more files, create a new file, or perform other LotusLive tasks. Now let's see how we can invite other people to collaborate and help me with my PowerPoint presentation. My colleague Amber has new information on the Q3 pipeline, so I go to My File Options and select Share. Enter Amber's email address, and now I have the option of letting her view only, be a reader, or be an author, which will let her edit this file. I want her to be an author. LotusLive is going to send Amber an email to let her know I've shared a file with her. I'm just going to add my own quick note. Now you can see the privacy icon has changed to let me know this file is now being shared. I could share this file with any number of people, or my entire company for that matter, but for this purpose, it's just one other person. Let's open that file and go to the slide I need Amber's help with. If she had already made her changes, the file would have been updated when I opened it. Any number of people can view a file at any given time. But to maintain perfect version control, we can only have one person at a time make changes. I can see there are now 2 people viewing this file, and I am the editor. In order for Amber to make her edits, she has to be the editor. So when she makes this request, I have these options, and I want her to make her changes. So I grant permission. Now Amber is the editor. It's important to understand that eXpresso works equally with Office or Symphony files. I'm using Office, and Amber may be using Symphony. There's no conflict. eXpresso manages all the formatting and compatibility. When Amber makes her changes and saves her work, the file is automatically updated for everyone's view. Let's take a look. There are the changes to the pipeline, and this presentation is ready for tomorrow. I'll close and go back to my dashboard. That was easy, wasn't it? You're almost an eXpresso expert now. But for even more features and options that help make your document collaboration a snap, visit us. Thanks, and enjoy eXpresso.